Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to try another ghost swirl cup today. This was a request when I asked for suggestions for other color combinations. A few people mentioned a fire cup, and I have not done a fire cup, even with regular alcohol ink swirling. So I'd like to try that. It's a great idea. Let's do that. Now, I'm going to refer back to the two ghost swirl cups I've already made that you've seen the videos for, or if you haven't, I'll link to these below and you can go watch them if you'd like. This first one was a black base, spray painted base with clear resin on it. Then I dropped the colors on, and then I added white to some resin and I drizzled that on. Hit it with heat and I got this. This is gorgeous, but you can see the white. And that worries me in terms of the fire aspect here, because if there's white with the red and it looks pink, that is not very fire-like. So that takes me to the second cup I did a little more recently. This was a commission or a request for greens and blacks. This cup I started by spray painting it black, but I also put black resin on the cup to start. Not clear resin here, black resin on top of black paint for this one. And then I dropped a crap ton of different greens on it. So many, it just drenched the cup. And then when I drizzled the white resin on top, the white in effect sank down below the greens, caused the swirls, which is fantastic. I mean, I love how it looks. And you don't really see the white at all. You see the effect of the white through the colors, like it's underneath. So no white showing, but you see the ghost swirls. So I kind of think this technique, or this version of the technique, will work a little better on a fire cup, because I'm really not nervous about it. I'm not worried about it, but I'm a little tiny bit concerned that maybe white and red won't look right on a fire cup. So that means I'm going to mix up some resin. I'm going to color it black. I will probably use black oxide mica powder and a little Cast and Craft opaque pigment mixed in. I will apply the black to the cup, the black resin, and I will drop on these Woody's Goodies colors. We have 3 reds, Cosmo, Hippie Juice, and Shirley Temple, 3 oranges, Orange Crush, Dirty Shirley, and Mai Tai, and then 2 deep yellows. I didn't want to go all bright, sunshiny yellow, so I figured these were probably good. This is Alabama Slammer and Harvey Wallbanger. And I will kind of stick to the reds down here, the oranges in the middle, and the yellows up here, but not hard and fast rule. I'll also move things around. Plus it's going to swirl, because it's a swirl cup. So yeah, I'm not going to make a ribbon of red, a ribbon of orange, and a ribbon of yellow. I'm not going to do that. They'll all be all over the place. I'm just saying, in general, there will be probably more reds here, more oranges in the middle-ish area, and a few more yellows up here, but all over. To bring out the color of the fire cup, I'm going to put some of the resin I mix up into a separate cup and mix in some Piñata Blanco Blanco alcohol ink. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I have another tumbler going over here, so I'm going to mix up more resin than I'll need for this. Probably about 50 milliliters, and then I'll use some of it over there, and then I'll use the rest over here. I'm guessing about 15 milliliters of resin will go on the tumbler, and then I'll have 5 set aside to mix the white with, and we'll see what we get. So, having said all of that, sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. Hope it turned out. Oh, look at that. Wow. Even without my glasses on, it looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Let's just move this to the side and bring you guys over here. We are having a beautiful sunny day today, so I will finish this video by taking this outside. It doesn't have any sparkles in it, but it is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I will say some of my yellow disappeared. I mean, you can see a little bit. I think what happened, because I picked deep yellows, is they kind of blended in with the oranges. Like I said, you can see a little bit. And disappeared into the orange, but that's all right. We did get a little bit of white still, in spite of my precautions for that by using black resin. But oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Bottom's not all that exciting, but that's okay. You can always put something on the bottom if you want to. Wow, I'm in love with this. Look at that. And I don't even, if you guys watch my videos, you'll know that I am not a huge red or orange fan. I was on the orange team in summer camp. I love the orange team, don't get me wrong. But the color itself, not one I would pick. But oh, wow. I think you could call this a lava cup, not just a fire cup. In fact, I would say it's more lava-like than fire-like, but still, wow. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Ah. Okay, folks, I am going to take this outside as promised, and we are going to do more of these Ghost Swirl cups in different colors. I want to do blues. I want to do a fantastic idea that I never would have thought of, so thank you to the viewer who suggested different grays, different levels of gray and white to see if we get a smoky-like effect. All monochrome smoky-like. So that's going to be cool to try. So, oh, and I also want to try it on a glitter base because, wow, glitter. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video, but don't go away.